Hello, good morning everyone. This is our crowdfunding app. So, here, first of all, I want to show you our login page. Now, this is our login page. Now, say, let us enter some wrong email ID and enter some wrong password. When I hit submit, then it is showing that email is not associated with the any account. So let's try with the correct password. First of all, I want to show you if I write any other email address other than IIITM, then it will give us error. We can only access from the IIIT email ID. So let's enter our actual ID. Then now we have generated. Now I have entered to our page. So now it is our dashboard page. We can make a say demo campaign, say add a sub demo, add image, description, say this is our description, amount, say it is 1000, and hit submit. Then it got submitted, and here it is the layout of our campaign page. We can edit it once again from here. Like I want to copy and make a description more and edit the amount and hit submit. Then once we hit submit, then here is the what we get. Here we can enter price 10 and start donating, and for the donation it will take us to the Paytm page. And for the Paytm page, let's say we enter our OTP and hit enter. Then we will pay the amount and it will take us to that successful page. Here I have made some more pages. Like we can see this is our page where there is campaign name as Mr. Binod, and this is where we can donate our page from our page. Here is the list of people who have donated. It has pagination, as you can see, and here it is showing number of people donated. Here from the directly we can say share to anything. Like here it is from in the WhatsApp. In one click we can go to the Twitter and share it. Similarly, we can share using our email ID. Okay. Now come back to our main section. Now it is the button for we can use it for instantaneously paying. Like we are at any section in that page, and then when we click it, it will drag us to the home page. Similarly, like it is the landing page of us, and when we hit the donate button, it will take us to the ongoing campaigns. Here is see more ongoing campaigns which also have pagination, and it is clickable links, and here it will change in every second. Here this is for the amount about us page. Here we can write about us page. This is a contact us page where we can write. It is our map. Here, as I will told you that it is like a feedback form. Here is the address. It is the footer, and it is the admin dashboard. And in that admin dashboard, as I have said, that we can see the feedback messages here, and we can delete it once we read all the thing, and we can log out our this. We have used JSON web token for login and logout functionalities. Now you can see this. You can see the UI of our page, and this app is made by Swatik and the Vivek Kamboj, and the designer are Sir Manish Mavi sir.